Hello and welcome to the Doula Request app. This is a collaboration between the University of Pennsylvania School of Nursing as well as the University of Pennsylvania School of Computer Science. In general, the overall goal of this project was to create a request app in which nurses at the University of Pennsylvania, both at the Hospital of the University of Pennsylvania and Pennsy Hospital, could go ahead and request a doula for their patient that's giving birth. In general, we see that doulas are able to improve the outcomes and decrease rates of cesarean section for births. And we believe that having this app can further facilitate the ability of patients who request a doula to actually follow through and get a doula. So the overall problem we're trying to solve in this case is the ability for patients who would like the support of a doula during birth to actually request and ultimately get a doula to complete and help their birth. So in general, this is what the main page looks like, and different nurses or providers at the two hospitals that we'll be rolling this out at can go ahead and make a request. So this is the main page. If I'm a nurse and my name is Justin G, I can go ahead and put in my phone number and the hospital that I'm working at, and I can submit a request. Then we can go to the admin side here, and just quickly we can see that there is a number of requests that we have on this side already that have been kind of tested and completed, as well as the users we have so far. So going to the user side in which we can see how a request is made, so we can log in. So we see that I'm currently on call, which means I get an automatic text message when there is a request made. And this is the request that we just made at this time. So if I am a volunteer doula, I can go ahead and I can see that the request was made. I can open it up. And then I can assign it to myself, in which I get the information. I can go ahead and contact the provider and the location and go from there. Once it's completed, we can go ahead and link to a survey as well. So we can go to my requests, and once you see it's completed, we can go ahead and link to the survey at that point as well. So in general, this allows people who want to go ahead and volunteer as a doula as part of this network to follow through and help their patients. And this is the current job that I was assigned to. And then here's the survey we discussed. And that is the Doula app.